just the party. Just wanted to pass a bit.
A golf course of such pristine greenery in the middle of a town for 100 years without encroachment is a testament that Kenyans, if we are serious, and I say that again, if we are serious, can preserve our environment despite the pressure of urban population growth on limited space.
Have to balance between the concrete and the greenery. Because if we overdo the concrete, the greenery aspects loss will affect us. Mine is to commit to you as a leader in Kiambu that we do need the golf club and the course, just like we need the markets, the bus stations, the hotels, and any other facility. And therefore we must learn how to strike a balance so that we can sustain the ecosystem.